It's Diane, and we've been anxiously anticipating the arrival of the Frank and Friends collection by Riley Blake. We have pre-cuts and patterns, and I'm going to show you the yardage because it is the cutest Halloween collection I've seen in a very long time. I'm not a girl who likes creepy Halloween stuff, and this stuff is really cute. So here's what we've got. The first up, we've got moons and stars. We've got a gray version that is gray and white. The black and white version actually has glow-in-the-dark accents. So this is super cute. And then we've got the green version. And these fabrics complement. There's two main prints. One is called Main and the other one's called Houses. This is the main print. And if you look at the main print, we've got super cute mummies, Frankenstein, a darling little cat, and then the sweetheart face on the Count Dracula is just absolutely darling. So this is the orange main print, and then we have the main print in gray background, and then we've got the main print in really, really cute pink. And so this is just a darling kind of baby pink, blush pink. It's really, really cute. And so then we've got the houses. And the houses are little Frankenstein's neighborhood. It's called Frank and Friends. So he's got little friends shown in the pictures. We've got the witch and the ghost and the mummy and the little Dracula vampire. And we've got the little houses in orange. And the houses also come in pink, which is just really, really cute. And then we've got the houses in gray. And here's the gray version. So these are just darling main prints. And look, there's a little house that's got a little spooky, the word spooky, and the little bunting on the house. So it's just a really darling print. This is a collection designed by my mind's eye for Riley Blake Designs. And so also with the collection is the mummy. And this is a mummy panel. It is a 36-inch panel. It's a big panel. This makes a mummy that's about 15 or 18 inches wide and about 40 inches high. And so this mummy is going to be a workshop here in our store. We're going to make a wall hanging out of him with a whole cloth background and make a quilt, and we're going to stuff him, and we're going to do that class on June 3rd at 11 a.m. And so we'll get that online, and so that you can sign up, and if it sells out and that class fills up, then we will do another one. But this is so cute. This little mummy is just absolutely darling. And so here's the back. So this is just a super cute addition to the collection. Next up, we've got spiderwebs. And the spiderwebs are also, the black one is one that's got glow-in-the-dark accents on part of it. So it does glow in the dark. And then we've got a white one. And then we've got the green one. And so these are just, it's a really great green. Then after those, we've got what we think are going to be great border prints. These are just called diamonds. This is Diamonds Multi is the first one. Then we've got Diamonds Black, and then we've got Diamonds Orange. And so these are just really cute, would be great for a border, and also would be great for a binding or backing. Then we've got the next three prints are spooky icons is what they're called. And this one is orange, and it's got little outlines of black and the green in it. And so it's spooky icons, super cute. The black version of spooky icons is another one that has glow-in-the-dark elements to it. We haven't put it under a black light yet to see actually what glows, but we're told that it has black and white, or glow-in-the-dark elements. And then this is the white background. And this white background is what is used to make the Witch's Feet table runner pattern. And so we have these patterns in stock. The patterns are $8.98. And so they're just super cute. And you can see that it was the white background that's been used in the table runner. And we're going to probably do a shop sample of this one and have kits for the table runner. And then next up, we've got ghosts in three colors. We've got ghosts in charcoal gray, which is a dark gray with the little bats and moons flying around. And then we've got orange and green for the ghosts. And I think it's just really cute that some of the little ghosts have witches hats on. So they're just super cute. Then next up we have pumpkins, because what Halloween collection wouldn't have pumpkins in them? So this one is, we've got a light gray, we've got an orange, and then we've got a white that's actually called Cloud, and they are just happy, cute little pumpkins in a variety of sizes. And so this collection is definitely one you're not going to miss. We have 10-inch stackers, we have 2.5-inch roly-polies, and we also have the 5-inch stackers, all from Riley Blake. So this is a darling collection. You don't want to miss it. The mummy panel is just hysterical and just darling. And so it's online right now. Shop in store, shop online. We can't wait to see what you make with this adorable fabric.